Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment.
Today's video covers a new project. I'm building a CNC router. The first shot shows the CNC router control cabinet during a bench test. You can see the variable frequency drive in the upper right, and the speed goes from 0 to 19,800 RPMs. The water-cooled spindle is capable of running 24,000 RPMs, but it's best to run it under that amount to get as much life from the motor as possible. The next screen shows the Centroid Acorn running a test using a canned connecting rod program that is supplied from Centroid. The white dot is the center of the cutting bit, and it traces the yellow cut path. The program has a few touch-offs before it starts to run the cutting portion of the program. The upper left corner shows the X, Y, and Z readings changing throughout the program. I turned the volume up so you can hear the stepper motors and spindle running. I think the spindle and stepper motors are very quiet, but we'll see when the router bit hits some work material. The next shot shows the Z-axis, X-axis motor, and the Y1 and Y2 motors moving to the connecting rod program. The X-axis is the first closed loop stepper motor on the left and starts spinning in a counterclockwise direction. The Y1 closed loop stepper motor is in the center and starts spinning in a counterclockwise direction. The Y2 closed loop stepper motor is shown on the right and starts spinning in a clockwise motion. The Z-axis is shown in the rear, and the spindle turns in a clockwise direction while the closed loop servo motor moves the Z-axis back and forth. Some people have said the background music was distracting from the video and subject matter, so I'm trying a video without the music. Stay tuned for more video and updates as the build progresses.
Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.